So if you're trying to decide who to take to the hospital with you when you deliver, I'm going to talk to you about what their role is in the delivery room, and maybe that'll make your decision a little bit easier. I'm Abby, a certified lactation educator and a labor and delivery nurse. I've also had 2 kiddos of my own. I normally talk about breastfeeding on my page, but today we're going to talk about labor and delivery. So whether you bring dad, mom, your sister, a doula, whoever, they're all going to essentially have the same kind of roles in the delivery room. This person needs to be able to advocate for you. Sometimes moms in labor are exhausted, not super aware of their surroundings, and might not be thinking clearly. It's really a great idea to have somebody there with you that you can trust to help make decisions with you. Also, a lot of moms don't like to speak up for themselves, so it's nice to have somebody who will step in for you. Next, this support person needs to offer comfort. This could be hand-holding, massage, or just sitting next to you to keep you company. You also want someone who's going to be helpful practically, so who is going to be able to go grab your chapstick for you, who's going to be able to go grab you some ice chips if you want some, who's going to be able to go run to McDonald's if you want something. Something really important that this person needs to be doing is communicating with your family and friends. So you as the mom, when you're in labor, you do not need to be worrying about every single person texting you asking you how it's going, because it's obnoxious. Put them in charge of talking to your family and talking to everybody and updating them on the progress. This person needs to have a strong stomach. They're going to see a lot of things. If you're bringing somebody who's likely to pass out during this process, either don't or make sure that they're sitting down most of the time they're in there. And lastly, but most importantly, the support person needs to be a nice, calming presence. They need to be positive, encouraging, supportive, even fun would be nice. Someone who has your best interests in mind and wants to watch you succeed. This is a very difficult process, and having the right support person can make it so much easier.